If you are a fan of Apple Clips, the brand new update allows you to choose the size that best fits learning. You and your students can now film in multiple sizes and formats, choosing landscape to create a fantastic flipped video or narrative, or square when your film needs to be social media ready. And you will also find new layouts, sharing options, and easy to access effects. Still, as you as a teacher might worry that all of those tutorials you built and found online won't fit this new Clips, don't worry. It is not the app that changed. Clips is still a one-stop shop for creation, providing filming, editing, and special effects all in one. The function has not changed, only the format. You can still use all those same tutorials, including mine. Although Clips looks slightly different, it works the same. Clips is growing so you can find the size that best fits learning.